So I started cubing back in 2017, and I didn't think I would go to a competition because when I started I was really slow. But now that I'm getting sub 20, I decided to go to one. But back in 2020, I also wanted to go to a competition even though I was averaging like sub 30 or whatever, and I wanted to go. But that got canceled because of pandemic things. Now, after 2, maybe 1.5 years, I finally get to go to a competition. Let's get started.
Well, you want me to say that I'm caught in the days, that I'm stuck in autopilot, but I'm flying away. There's a lot I can say, got a lot on my brain. Well, you want me to say that I'm stuck in this place, that I'm only...
Welcome to my first competition. I'm outside of the venue right now and it's so windy, so I'm not sure what to expect. It's still a bit early, so they're setting it up right now, but I brought these, and some of these there's literally no events for, so I just brought these just because. Three by three round 1 is finished. I think I did, I guess, okay for my first competition. I didn't actually expect to get like a sub 20 average, so I was thinking I was gonna get more of 20, but yeah, kind of doing well so far. Okay, I think this was actually my best average in this competition because, well, you'll see what's next after 2 by 2. So what's your average right now?
Well, I currently average like around 17.
Kind of similar. I just like average sub 20 mostly. What is your goal?
For like today, my goal is like to advance to like round 2 for like every event basically.
Yeah.
I'm not really concentrated on 3 by 3 this time. I'm mostly practice for like 2 by 2.
Yeah, I'm not really that good. I'm just doing 3 by 3. I'm just here mainly just to get a feel of the competition, but I guess I also had the goal of doing a sub 20 average. First time on 11M Pro. And yeah, I made it to the second round. I don't have another 2 by 2 to practice with. I only have one. I don't give a shit about this man. Yep, I got a 5-second solve, but the rest of the average wasn't good. Huh? Oh, one. I cannot see. Someone didn't reset the timer. We do have a newsletter on the So 2 by 2 round 1. I honestly don't think I'm gonna make it to round 2. I kind of like fumbled it. Like I literally got 2. Like I got a 10 and an 11. So yeah, I'm not making it to round 2 probably. Yep, I was in 90th place. But I actually did get a good average though, for me at least. What are your guys' goals for this comp?
Get the national record.
Oh my god. What do you guys average anyway?
If I'm
sub 6.
No!
He's sub 6.
Oh my god.
If I practice, I average around 7.4. But like today I got a 8.1, so it's not good.
Oh my god. What do you average?
Like 11, 10. I'm trying to get a sub diet.
Yeah.
Single.
So, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I want to see the boron treated can again. This is the boron treated vault. I've never felt a vault before.
This is from like 2016.
Yeah, so long ago. I'm surprised people use this thing. This is a boron treated can here. Oh, this is an XS?
XS.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh, no.
SM.
Oh.
SM.
Yeah. Like anything.
This is the XS.
Yeah.
That's the SM.
Where's you guys got like stickered ones?
Really?
Stickered
Bro,
ones
it's
though.
like 2015. I am old.
This is an XS. You can see here by the magnets. There's like so much cubes I've never tried out before, so I'm kind of impressed. So my next round of 3x3 isn't until like 2 or 1 or whatever. I don't know what time, I forgot. So it's time for a lunch break. I still have a lot of time between that, so time for lunch. So I think it was better than we got last time because when we went to the drive-thru and they took so long, so the food wasn't that great after. But now, yeah, short target run. They literally only have a 3x3 in this thingy. I don't know where the other cubes are. And oh yeah, the Ferngren. Well, I just plus 2 to 17.
No. Oh my gosh, I have to start over.
I got another plus 2. I plus 2 to 21, and then the rest of my solves were so bad. Honestly, that was okay. I, for some reason, got a sub 20 average, literally the first round, and I'm honestly happy with that. 2x2, I don't really care. So yeah, I think this competition went really well. I also got to meet Max Park, and he actually signed my name tag like after like someone else asked him to sign it too. Honestly, I didn't really care about the results. I just wanted to get the feel of the competition experience, and I actually managed to get a sub 20 average on the first round, although I did get a 22 as the second solve, but the rest of the solves saved it. But the second round, I don't know how I still have a sub 20 average for that one.
And I got to talk to a lot of people about cubes and things, and honestly I would recommend everyone to sign up for a competition. No matter what level you are, like if you started cubing or if you're pretty good at it. There's a lot of things you can do at a cubing competition, and although I didn't really do that much because there was like 4 events in this competition, I honestly had a really good time.
Even though I plus 2 different solves during round 2 of 3x3. I guess the moral of the story, go to a cubing competition. I'll see you all next time.